When a vendor or vendor employee logs into the vendor portal, they can see the tasks that are past due that are currently assigned to them. This video will take a look at those tasks and the information associated with them. From the vendor portal dashboard, there are two different ways to access the past due tasks that are currently assigned to the vendor or vendor employee logged in. They can either click on the past due tasks icon or they can click on past due task from the tasks drop-down menu. As you can see, this will bring up all the tasks that are past due, and each task has its own box. The task box displays the property name, the work order number if there is one, a reservation number if there is one, the due date of the task, and who the task is currently assigned to. You will also notice in the gray box a short description of the task or work order. To get more information about the task, simply click on the box. This screen shows additional information about the task itself. You will notice that the picture of the property is displayed in the top left corner of the screen. This is the thumbnail picture that has been selected for this property in the VRM admin console. Also displaying is the property name, the reservation number if there is one, and the work order number if there is one that's associated with this task. The summary section shows the task status, the housekeeping status, the guest name if it is associated with the reservation, the date the task is due to be completed, and information about the stay dates. You will also see here the bed configuration and the key code. This information mirrors what has been entered in the VRM admin console under Properties, Manage Properties, select the office, select the property, click Edits, and the Miscellaneous tab. Here you will see fields for the beds as well as the key code. Whatever is entered in these fields is what is getting pulled over into the vendor portal. You will also see who this task is currently assigned to. The description that's located here is the long description that has been entered on the work order. The Task Notes section will show you any notes that have been added either through the vendor portal or through the Readiness Manager grid associated with this task. The directions to the property that are listed here are also pulled from VRM. This is what has been added under Properties, Manage Properties, select the office, select the property, click Edit, and then click on Notes. The directions that you've entered in this field are what is being displayed in the vendor portal. You will also see that there's a section to display any housekeeping notes, which are pulled from the HK comments section on the general screen of the reservation. A section will display for reservation comments, which are pulled from the comments listed on the general screen of the reservation. And there's also a section for guest comments, which are pulled from the comments listed on the Member Info tab of the reservation. These three fields will only be visible if the person logged into the vendor portal has permission to see this information. Please watch the video on assigning permissions for more information about this. There are three action buttons below the task information: a green marked Finish button, a red Report Problem button, and a gold Reassign button. When the vendor has completed his task, he needs to click the green marked Finish button. This will update the Readiness Manager grid and the work order, marking both as complete. If the vendor in the field needs to share information about the job, they can click on the red Report Problem button, enter the priority of their comment, and then add information that they need to share with people back at the office. They can also choose to upload pictures if what they want to share is something that needs to be photographed. Once this information has been added, they can click on Report Event, and this will update the Readiness Manager grid as well as the task itself. The third button is the Reassign button. This button can be used if this task or work order needs to be reassigned to another employee. Simply click the button and then choose which employee this task needs to be reassigned to. Click the Reassign Task button, and the information you see will be updated as far as who is now responsible for completing this task. If you have any questions about the past due tasks in the vendor portal, please let the help desk know. You can reach us with a ticket or an email to help@vrmgr.com. Thank you.